She's my sunshine in the rain. My darling, know when I'm in pain, yeah. Let me tell you what she means to me. Like a tall glass of lemonade when it's burning hot on summer days.
Hello everyone, my name is Allaina. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys an example, some food options, some good goods on what I eat in a day to lose weight. I have lost such a significant amount of weight, and you know what? I think I got it pat down on what I like to eat, what I can eat to help me lose weight. Of course, every single person's diet is going to be different. I like to follow a more pescatarian diet. Also, when I was editing this video, I didn't know that it was vegan friendly, so to all those vegans out there, you're welcome. I do change things up here and there when it comes to my meal choices, and of course I do not eat like this every single day on the daily. I follow the 80-20 rule where I eat 80% clean, 20% whatever the hell I want. Again, remember to put yourself in a caloric deficit. That's the best way to lose weight off your body. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Remember to smack that subscribe button, and let's begin with the video. Good morning everyone. It is now like what, been a month or so of quarantine? I don't even know. I've lost count. I don't even know what day it is anymore. I've lost count. It is breakfast time. It is my favorite time of the day. For those who don't know, I love me some breakfast. Today I'm going to be making some pancakes. I'm really excited. My love for pancakes is so strong. I think my addiction to pancakes started when like I was really young and I used to watch Matilda all the time, and the way she made her pancakes when she was like 6 years old was so aesthetically pleasing that I was just like, oh, I love her pancakes. I picked up my pancake mix at Nature's Emporium. Pretty sure you can get this anywhere, Whole Foods, Nature's Emporium, or at Goodness Me, something like that, Trader Joe's. This is a pancake mix that I'm using. It is the Castle Kitchen, I'm gonna look at the English side. It's the Castle Kitchen protein packed plain Jane vanilla pancake mix. They had other flavors, but you know what? I'm already gonna put some chocolate chips in there. So I was just like, you know what? Plain Jane it is. Also, the chocolate chips that I'm using are vegan. You can pick these up at Walmart. They have them everywhere now. They're just dairy-free mini chocolate chips, and they're so good. Also, been cutting up some strawberries and just gonna be making some pancakes.
She's soothing light. The ocean where she on the sand. She takes care of me, baby. She helps me be a better man. She's so good. Oh, sometimes I stop and close my eyes. She's exactly what I need.
Okay guys, this is my breakfast, so I'm gonna go enjoy my breakfast and I'll see you guys for a mid-morning snack. Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Make some lunch right now. Also, if you guys hear anything in the background, my neighbors are kind of having like a jam session outside right now, and it's really cute. Like they're playing like all really like old school R&B. I'm like digging it so hardcore. But anyways, I'm hungry now, so it's about lunchtime for me. So I'm gonna make some lunch and then I'm gonna do my workout. So I'm gonna have some salad today. The salad that I've been making lately, so good. My own homemade dressing. I love it so much. Salad. What's in my salad? I like to put some kale in here. I'm putting some spring mix, so I think it's just like a bunch of like, what is in here? So there's baby lettuce, baby crucifers, there's arugula in here. I usually don't like arugula, so it's really surprising. There's spinach and just a bunch of other greens in here. Also gonna be putting some cucumber and tomato. You can put whatever vegetable you want in there. Honestly, this is all I have in my fridge right now, so I'm gonna put all of that in my salad. I'm heating up a Dr. Praeger's burger patty as my form for protein. As for my dressing, guys, I just mixed tahini, some caramelized onion hummus, salt and pepper, nutritional yeast, and then also some good old-fashioned steak seasoning. Basically all that's in my salad, guys, so I'm just gonna assemble here and then I'll show you guys the end result. Okay guys, so this is my salad. I'm just gonna be enjoying this before my workout. I also remember in my fridge that I was also drinking some kombucha, so I'm just gonna finish off my kombucha right here. It's the Synergy Gingerberry. This is one of my favorite kombuchas. If you guys like kombucha, let me know what your favorite kombucha brand is and I'll try it out. So I'm just gonna have my salad and my kombucha for lunch, and then I'll see you guys after my workout for my snack.
Let me tell you what she means to me.
So it is now dinner time. I'm a little bit hungry after my workout. I just took a shower. I'm a little bit lazy to be making my food, so I'm just gonna be making a Beyond Meat burger patty. I'm gonna saute some vegetables. Also guys, since my oven's broken, my family and I invested into this frying pan. Like, oh my gosh, this is like my new weapon, like, you know, from Tangled. It's like my new weapon of choice if anything happens during this coronavirus. If anyone tries to steal my vegetables, like, girl, like, I'm gonna come at you.
Let me tell you what she means to me. She's kinda like this. Kinda like the feeling after your first kiss. Except that every day she makes me feel like this. She's exactly what I need.
Okay guys, so this is my dinner. I'm actually really excited to eat this. This is one of like my favorite things to eat, which is really, not gonna lie, I actually love burger patties just by themselves with some vegetables. I think this burger patty is just like one of my favorite things to eat. If you guys are wondering what this purple thing is, it is actually wild rice from the Philippines by Mamacita, and it's so good. I just added that in there just because my workout was really intense today and I'm a little bit hungry. But usually I would just have the burger patty with tons of vegetables and that would tide me over for the rest of the night. But this is my dinner, so I'm gonna go enjoy my dinner and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Bye. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember that your body is something that you should cherish, something that you should love. Give your body the good food that it needs and your body will show you how it loves you on the outside. Feed your body something good on the inside, it will show you how it loves you on the outside. Remember, your body is a machine. Treat your machine like a Ferrari, not a Honda Civic. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!
The ocean rushing on the sand. She takes care